Hello friends! In the 6th annual Game of Apps Championships, 10 teams from all over BC competed. Each team designed, coded, and presented an Android app they've built under the theme Making a Change. The teams fielded some tough questions from our judges, followed by questions from the audience. Our judges included Henry from BCIT, Janice from PitchBook, Kelvin from Amazon, and Pavisha from BCLC. It was a fun-filled event where we raffled off some pretty nice prizes, and some of our mentors even gave their best rendition of Miley Cyrus. Ahura and Jotham won Outstanding Leadership Awards. Elena and Zena won Outstanding Designer Awards. And Alex, Nathan, and Aki won Outstanding Developer Awards. Brain Bros, Celine, Lucia, Marcus, and Samantha won the People's Choice Award for having the most community votes. iBite, Brian, Daniel, Elena, and Francis won the Best Designed App. Team Platers, Ahura, Alex, and Henry won the Best Developed App. And Among I, Aki, Letitia, Maddie, and Travis won the Best Overall App and the Championships. Congratulations to all students for their hard work and accomplishments, and best of luck to our graduating students. I had a lot of fun working with all of you and hope to see some of you back next year. Have a wonderful summer.